Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we have the exact opposite of a video I made pretty recently, and that video was Roblox just released a huge W for developers, or something along those lines. Today, Roblox has released an L, which is not uncommon from Roblox by any means, but let's check it out. So right here, guys, generative AI data sharing. Basically, anything you upload on Roblox from this point forth, whether that is a game, a model, an accessory, anything, Roblox can now and will now use it to train its AI. Which, in the grand scheme of things, means that 5 years from now, every game is gonna look even more the same than it does now. Or at least that's what I think it means. I'm no master at AI. However, we do have the option to turn this off, and you're probably gonna want to. I will say it is on by default for everybody, and we'll kind of get into more of the details in just a moment, but anything made before this came out is automatically turned off. So no worries about going through your hundreds of experiences or models or accessories and turning it off. It's off for everything before this update. If you go to your data sharing page, which I'll have linked down below, you can check this, it will be on, but you can turn it off and save changes, and this is just defaults. It'll say no. I don't want the AI to use this for anything you ever make. You do have to do this for each page though, so experience, avatar items, creator store items, and then this one, it doesn't have the box, so I'm not sure exactly what that means. But yeah, if you want to turn it off, you'll do it here. Now let's try to learn what this is actually doing. All right, buddies. Hi, creators. Our goal is to enable the creation of anything, anywhere by anyone. This is like such a bold statement, and it's not for the better, in my opinion. I gotta be honest. It sounds like a, yo, let's please the investors statement, all right? The creation of anything, anywhere by anyone means Roblox will not really be a good place for better developers to make games and make money. If anybody with zero skill at all can type into an AI, make this game using your work, because that's what Roblox AI is going to be studying. Sorry, there's a piece of fuzz on the camera. Yikes. But I don't think this is a good idea. All right, we're gonna go ahead and see though. We've been building our generative AI tools. Yes, got it. To reduce the barrier to creation for new creators and empower all creators to be more productive, which I love. AI is great to increase productivity, but when it takes away all the skill needed to do something, that's a bit where I have the issue with it. Especially with Roblox's whole thing being powering imagination, but yet you don't have to imagine too much to type in a prompt for AI to generate it. Now, I'm not gonna read all of this. I'm kind of just skimming through, but here's how the program will work. Everything, including all of this, created prior, will have AI sharing off, got it. When you publish a new experience or avatar item, literally anything, you can toggle on or off for data sharing, which it is on by default. I wonder how the community feels about that. So we won't collect any of your shared data to train generative AI models until this date. This is the only thing I'm a little confused on, right? So obviously, AI is trained based off of stuff. This is why we've seen GFX websites where you can put in someone else's art and then you can produce a GFX in that style. I just feel like all of the creative, specialized, stylized stuff is gonna be gone because there's not gonna be a skill set behind it. And I think that's like my biggest red flag when it comes to the whole AI stuff. All right, why are we doing this? This is what I'm interested in. I'm here for it. Over the past year, we've rolled out a suite of generative AI powered solutions, including code assist, material generator, assistant, texture generator, and avatar auto setup. We're also working towards 4D generative AI, beyond static 3D objects, dynamic creations that you can move and interact with in their environments. This is like some top tier stuff, man. I can't even rig a bear to walk around and then you can press E to ride it, for example. This is stuff that you should kind of have to have a bit of a skill set for. More and more creators are using these solutions to learn and create faster, eliminating mundane and repetitive tasks and complementing their existing skill sets. See, the thing for me, like texture generator, for example, it's this. Check it out. I'll show you real quick. We have a full video on it, but you bring it a model and then you just tell it, hey, make this look like a snowy castle, for example, and it'll do it for you. I don't know how to texture at all. So it's not helping me learn or speed up this task. Well, I guess it does speed it up, but it's definitely not helping me learn it. So the whole learn and create faster, yeah, I don't think so. Code assist, that is cool. I do like that because 9 times out of 10, productive code is probably going to be the same, right? There's not really a style that you have to try to achieve when scripting stuff. And yes, I do understand that there is organized and disorganized scripters, but I think you understand what I'm trying to say. Avatar auto setup, that's nice as well. Creating rigs and stuff for an avatar to help in a workflow. Where this gets a little scary is when you're going to be able to just tell this AI to make you a game, and then it's done in a style that you pick based on your favorite builder, or who knows, man, I don't know. We already showed you guys how to turn it off, and then here's where you can turn it on or off per experience. Group owners control sharing, that's nice. All right, let's check this out. So this is how they are going to prevent people making a bunch of not safe for work models and then hoping the AI uses those. Yeah, that's not how it's gonna work, guys. You make something, you turn it to shared, it gets shared. This is a filter, filter, filter. These are all things to make sure that not safe for work stuff isn't being used to train this AI. Data conversion, I don't know what all this stuff is. And then it starts training the AI after it finds the clean models. And it goes into features we'll be able to use in the future, and the cycle continues. Let's see what people are saying. I wonder how much time till I'll lose the off-ticking feature. That's something. It's great you're giving us the option to opt out. I really thought the AI stuff was gonna get pushed down our throat. I think it still will. Roblox is like a... It's weird. They're trying to please the investors more than the creators, for sure, at this point in time. And I could see Roblox going to a place where they could just pump out, like, AI games, right? Like, simulators. Make 20 simulators AI, and then in 20 minutes it's done, you know? And then the developers like me and you, yeah, we actually have to go. Because they're not powering imaginations anymore. They're powering the pocketbooks of investors, which they haven't been doing too good at, by the way. I have 7 shares of Roblox, proud to say. And they're like 35 bucks now. I'm pretty sure I bought them at 70. So whatever you guys are doing, you're going in the wrong way. I also know nothing about the stock market, okay? Let me put that out there. It seems like a lot of people wanted an opt-out by default. That seems the biggest concern. This statement means nothing. What is 4D? You can't just... I agree, bro. What is that? Like, it's good for the investors, once again, who don't really know much. But, you know, a lot of people are against the whole expanding AI thing. I really do want to preface, I love AI when it's used to help workflows and let you be more creative. But I don't like it when it's used to just make a full game. If we look at Roblox already, pretty much every game is a copy of another game. Simulators are the worst at this because all of the build styles are already the same. So now let's just say if AI can build a simulator map based on X simulator map, right? I feel it's gonna make Roblox as a whole less creative in the long run, but I guess only time will tell. I will have this whole dev form thing linked down below in the description, and I will also link the data sharing tab so you could turn yours off by default if you wish to. Let me know what you guys think about this AI in the comments down below, but that will wrap it up for today. If you did enjoy and want to see more content like this, hopefully not exactly like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.